ZBRA Technologies has introduced the EM45 Enterprise Mobile, an Android-based handheld mobile computer designed to boost productivity for frontline managers and workers across various industries. This device supports multiple user profiles with separate professional and personal settings, allowing users to carry a single device to their workplace. The EM45 Enterprise Mobile is equipped with an AI-capable Qualcomm processor, enabling efficient performance and innovative features. The device features one-touch push-to-talk communication and 3 actionable buttons for quick barcode scanning and emergency alerts, streamlining workflows and enhancing user experience. Additionally, it supports ZBRA's Workstation Connect, which enables the device to function like a desktop, providing users with a seamless and efficient working experience. With a high-capacity battery delivering up to 25 hours of uninterrupted power, the EM45 Enterprise Mobile ensures users can work throughout the day without interruptions. The company's DNA software suite makes it easy to set up and manage the device, reducing administrative burdens and allowing users to focus on their core tasks. The EM45 Enterprise Mobile is designed to handle a wide range of tasks across various industries. In retail, it facilitates efficient inventory management and reduces product loss by reading digital wallets, scanning products, and accepting payments. In logistics, it improves route management and provides product delivery proof, while its 50-megapixel camera captures clear photos and videos and quickly scans barcodes. In healthcare, the device helps medical staff monitor the location and condition of patients and medical equipment. ZBRA Technologies is benefiting from increased sales of mobile computing and data capture solutions within its enterprise visibility and mobility segment, as well as higher sales of RFID products in its asset intelligence and tracking segment. Qualcomm is making a significant push into the rapidly expanding AI data center market, with its $2.4 billion acquisition of Alphawave Semi, a global leader in high-speed wired connectivity and compute technologies. This strategic move marks Qualcomm's second significant acquisition in the AI infrastructure arena, following its purchase of Nuvia as the company seeks to re-establish a foothold in high-performance computing. The acquisition of Alphawave Semi provides Qualcomm with critical high-speed wired connectivity and chiplet technologies, key components for scaling AI infrastructure. These advancements position Qualcomm to compete more directly with industry heavyweights like Intel and AMD in the rapidly evolving data center and AI computing markets. Qualcomm's CEO, Cristiano Amon, believes that combining Alphawave's resources and expertise with Qualcomm's power-efficient CPU and NPU cores will enable the development of advanced technology solutions and drive innovation in AI compute and connectivity solutions. The AI data center market is experiencing unprecedented growth, driven by the widespread adoption of generative AI, enterprise applications, and geopolitical urgency. According to McKinsey & Company, global data center investments could reach $6.7 trillion by 2030. Major tech companies like Microsoft and Amazon are committing billions of dollars to AI data center initiatives, with Microsoft planning to spend $80 billion in 2025 and Amazon committing over $100 billion to similar initiatives. Qualcomm aims to diversify its revenue streams beyond its traditional mobile business, targeting $22 billion in non-handset revenue by fiscal year 2029. This ambitious goal implies a compound annual growth rate of over 20%, driven by segments such as automotive, IoT, PCs, and extended reality. By broadening its revenue base, Qualcomm can reduce its dependency on the smartphone market and position itself for long-term growth. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.